Hey everybody, today we are going to be playing the song Getting It Together. And we have D, C, B, A, and G. So let's take a look at our notes here. And our first note is D, and it's just with your middle finger. You take your thumb off the back, so you want to make sure that when you play D by itself, you have your instrument supported down here. Now, you can just slide your thumb past the hole and still hold it like that. So whichever is easier for you, making sure you hold the instrument with a brace down here and take your thumb off, or slide your thumb on the back below the hole. So we've got D, C, B, A, and G. Okay, so let's go through and let's say the names of our notes first. 1, 2, ready, go. D, C, B, A, G. G, A, B, G, A. D, C, B, A, G. G, A, B, G, A, G. Okay, now let's go through and count. So we have our half notes, quarter notes, and we have a half rest. Okay, ready? 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, sh, sh. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now it's time to play. 1, 2, ready, go. One more time. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. How'd you do with that one? Practice makes perfect. So try it 5 times in a row and you'll have it. See you on the next one.